Your home's HVAC system works tirelessly to keep you comfortable. But its performance hinges on a silent, unsung hero, your air filter. A neglected filter becomes a ticking time bomb, silently sabotaging your comfort and your wallet. This overworked system becomes vulnerable to breakdowns, frozen AC units, and costly repairs. Introducing Intelligent HVAC Monitoring. This data-driven partner watches over your filter, measuring air pressure and alerting you before clogging becomes a problem. No more guesswork, just timely reminders based on actual filter life. Optimized heating and cooling ensures your home's comfort is protected. Embrace an efficient, worry-free home, all thanks to real-time HVAC monitoring. Welcome to Intelligent Home Performance, powered by RIoT Technology.